Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we're doing a super smoky look. It's not necessarily based on anything, but I wanted to do like a grayscale look for winter because I have a lot of colorful, cool little looks here and there, and I wanted to kind of switch it up and do something really dead, like not a lot of color, just gradients. And Kat Von D has this little duo thing for holiday. It's like you buy them together. It's these two little gray liquid lipsticks. They're called Woolf and Dagger, and you can use it in a bunch of different ways. I think it's safe to use it on the eye area, I'm not sure, but because it's not a red or crazy color, I am gonna be putting it on my eye area and checking it out. I did take the liberty to put it on my cheeks, so you can see like there's a little bit of a contour that's on a grayish scale, and we're gonna keep everything really cool, really dead. Maybe, I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do hints of color, but maybe some hints of color here and there. So I am wearing everything right now. The only thing that I didn't do a video, well actually the only thing that I did a video separate was for this. So I'm gonna play the video as I talk about it. I put my foundation on and did the contour, everything cream, highlight, and then right before I set it with powder, I put a little bit of the gray on the contour areas and blended it. Also put it across my forehead, and I am gonna be putting it on my nose as well and my eyebrows. So let me zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. So one of the shitty things about the liquid lipstick is that because it's a liquid lipstick and it's so thin, it gets into all my little acne scarring, the little divots that are on the texture of the skin, so you can see them a little bit more. I will be editing those out, in the pictures that I put on Instagram, but just so you know, like my skin is not like perfect, if you see it and it's kind of smooth on Instagram, it doesn't look as smooth on video because it's not actually a product made for the face, so that's why it does that. Anyways, that was just a little disclaimer. Let's move on with the tutorial. So I'm going to start out by using the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And I'm going to be very minimal with the shadows that I use, so I'm just going to use the Metamorphosis palette from MCGRATH, and hopefully that's it. Now I'm going to use the lighter one, which is Dagger, and I'm going to apply it on the eye. So I'm going to use this almost like a cream eyeshadow, and I'm going to try to blend it as well as I can. I'm going to be using Kat Von D's brush because it's made of synthetic hair, so it is made for this type of situation. And you kind of want to build it in layers, like you want to build it, by applying the product on and smudging it on until it's completely part of the skin, and then you can add another layer. So you don't want to be building too much wet on wet, or it's just going to smear everywhere. You want to make sure that that layer is completely worked in and dry before you move on to the second layer. Okay, so we built it up really well. Now we're gonna do the darker color. I'm really impressed. This is actually a pretty cool look. Like if you like pastels, like subdued type of shades for your smoky eye, this may be a way to go. It's not an expensive little kit either. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix the darker color. doing a little bit of the wing. Perfect, now I'm gonna smoke it out with eyeshadow. My eyelids feel kind of weird and sticky, so hopefully with the eyeshadow on top of it, they'll come back to normal. Okay, so we're gonna do smoked amethyst. This actually looks really pretty. It adds the right amount of texture to the eye. Okay, now I'm just gonna use a ponytail brush to blend that into the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet it a little bit with water. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of sterling to the inner corners. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of sterling to the lips as well. Okay, now that is the eyes. Now we gotta do the brows. And I'm gonna use the darkest gray and I'm just gonna go with, this is the Woolf, and I'm just gonna go and fill it in like little by little. Okay, and I'm gonna add a classic red lip, but I want to put a little twist in it. So I'm gonna add some of the grayscale as a base, and then I'm gonna put the lipstick on top. Okay, so I'm going to be using Elson, and I'm just going to use my finger to dab some of the color. Actually, I'm going to use a brush now. Okay, and I'm gonna add some mascara, eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I added more black clothing just to make the makeup come out a little bit more. This actually came out a lot better than I thought. It has this film noir kind of quality to it. It's very gray, you know, because we use liquids and then we put the shadow on top. And I really like the pops of sterling like here and there just to kind of highlight. I also like the sterling on the lips, you know, because it really makes the... for some reason, whenever I put any kind of like highlighter on the lip, it makes it a little bit more triangular looking, which is really cool. And I also put it on the bottom. And I like that the red is like coming out and then desaturating itself to grayness, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna put some videos and photos here so you can see like what my vision is. Don't forget to check it out on Instagram so you can see all the looks. You know, if you're wondering, I wonder what he did also. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I have a new one. And don't forget to like and share. I'll see you guys on the next one.